Good morning, students. Welcome to the English grammar class. Today's topics are conjunctions and articles. Before starting our class, let me ask you that did you complete your classwork as well as homework? The notes I have given on Saturday in PDF file. Please complete it. And before that also, Brave Bubbly lesson I included in video. Please go through the video. I mentioned classwork there. And later, poem plant meanings also I have given in the video. Please go through that and complete all that classwork. Okay, you have lot of time. Daily, if you sit 1 hour enough, isn't it? No need to sit for hours together, because you can see very less notes are there for English. Lot of grammar will be there. Once you get your textbooks, we can simultaneously practice grammar. Let's start with conjunctions. You can see here so many words: because, but, when, and, so, then. So these all words will help us in connecting the words. Okay, that is the main idea of conjunctions. Conjunction, that means bringing together. Okay, that can be either words, sentences, or phrases which are put in with these words. Fine. So you can see it's like puzzle given the shape, and on that words are written. We will discuss it with more examples. First we need to understand what is conjunction. That is nothing but joining words. So, or phrases or sentences. That is, it acts like glue. Here you can see the glue in sentences. It acts like glue in the sentences. That means it brings the sentences together. Without the conjunction, the sentence will be very long. But if you use this word, then it will become short and sweet, meaningful. Okay? Here some more conjunctions are there, words like this: for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Now simple example I'll give you. Your father will ask, "Beta, what you want to eat today? Idli or dosa?" What I'm saying now? Idli or dosa. When I'm saying or, that is nothing but here what you see, or, that only. So there is an option for you. Idli or dosa. What breakfast you want to have? So, or is the conjunction in between the two words. That is idli, dosa. Hope you are understanding. Okay. Now, let me go with the sentences here. See. Mobby and I were late for school. Here and is the conjunction. That is combining Mobby, I, both words. Okay, both are coming in one phrase with the word and. It is connecting the sentence. Now one more, see. If you are late, you need a note from your parents or a permission slip from the teacher. So here you are talking about an option, or you are saying. So if you are late to school, you need to bring a note from your parents or a permission slip from the teacher. You can see the word or which is in yellow, connected one. So this is one conjunction. Here and is one conjunction, or is one conjunction. Then one more see. Moby claims that he set the alarm, but I didn't get to school on time. So but is also a conjunction. Instead of saying Moby claims that he set the alarm, I didn't get to school on time. If I remove this conjunction and talk, both are different sentences. There is no connection in between both. But when I put the word but here, the second sentence is related to the first one. Now see here. Moby claims that he set the alarm, but I didn't get to school on time. When I am saying but, that means the second sentence is dependent on the first one, right? But if I don't use but, how it will be the sentence? Just imagine, see, I'll read out. I'll remove but now. Moby claims that he set the alarm. I didn't get to school on time. How is it looking? It's like as if you're talking in air. There is no meaning to it. Okay, Moby claims that he set the alarm. Okay, further what? He set the alarm. That is incomplete. The sentence is incomplete now. I didn't get to school on time. If I say only I didn't get to school on time, then the other person immediate question will be, why? There is no reason for that, right? I didn't get to school on time. You are saying that's it. But what is the reason for not getting to school on time? Why you are late? That is not clear here. But if I put the word but here, the sentence is very much clear, isn't it? Moby claims that he set the alarm, but I didn't get to school on time. Now it's clear why you are late. Okay? Here, Moby and I were late for school. Now if I remove and here, what will be the sentence? Moby, I were late for school. How is it? It's looking like butler English, right? It's not proper. When you hear only, you can feel it. Moby, I were late for school. Moby, I, what is that? If you say Moby and I, then or else you there is the imagination like Moby, I and one more person also maybe. It's like continuation, right? There is no end. Moby, I. Then further one more, Rita. Like that it may continue. So Moby and I. When I say Moby and I, that means you are talking only about two persons. That is clear now. If you don't put and in between, others will think that maybe more than two they are, right? So clarity will not be there. But if you use conjunction, there will be clarity. So conjunction helps us in putting the sentences, words, phrases in proper manner. Now here is the definition for conjunctions. They are the joining words that bring together words, phrases and sentences. Yes, that only we discussed just now. So it will join words, phrases and sentences. See, a simple sentence I am giving here. If I just show you like this, first one, can you read it out? I put hyphen in between, a small dash, isn't it? If I don't put hyphen, what I should put then instead of that? I can put and. Bread and butter. And is the conjunction here. You can see it is in red letters, right? So that is connecting bread as well as butter. Both are different, but they both are put together with the one connectivity word, that is and. So it acts as bridge between the two words. Yes, children? What did you eat today means what you'll say? Bread and butter, right? So in that way here and is the connecting word. See, like this the words are connected, right? This is conjunction which is bringing together. Let it be words, sentences, phrases We will see some more examples here. Just a small note, like words used to join words or sentences are called conjunctions, isn't it? In a shortcut way, and I just highlighted just to remember, okay, for you to make it more easy. Okay, join words or sentences, the words that are used. Starting I showed you, no, and, or, because, for. So these are all the words that are used to join words or sentences. They are called conjunctions. That means that bring together the sentences. Now here we will see quickly the sentences. See here now. The food was tasty, it was costly. Instead of writing such a big sentence, I can make it little shorter by using conjunction. See, I wrote in this way. The food was tasty but costly. Yeah, because but is used there. There is no need for me to write again it was costly. No need to extend the sentence. I can cut it short. Short and sweet it can become with the help of the conjunctions. That will make our written part more easier with the help of conjunctions, right? See here now, see such a big sentence. Two sentences are there. Zahir can eat a cake, Zahir can eat an ice cream. I am using Zahir and can eat. Twice I used. Now if I want to continue, I will again say Zahir can eat a watermelon. You know, instead of taking so many times Zahir, I can just replace it by writing the word or there. Zahir can eat a cake or an ice cream. So this will make the sentence nice, short and sweet, isn't it? So here it's clear. Yes, Zahir can eat either cake or an ice cream. Option is given. I gave you no first also for you. Idli or dosa or puri or vada. Common way. Every day what you are talking, that itself is conjunctions. You now as you are learning, you just try to observe. Okay, some words you will be using in your daily life also. Here, this one also. The food was tasty but costly. You know, sometimes that words will come. You try to recollect that. So that is nothing but you are using conjunctions in that. Now here see one more. Amit did not go for the trip. He broke his arm. Amit did not go for the trip. He broke his arm. First sentence is that. And here conjunction is not there. Now Amit did not go for the trip because he broke his arm. Okay. When I put because here, this became one complete sentence now, or else I need to break the sentence by keeping the full stop. Again I have to start the sentence by writing the letter with capital letter. So this all can be avoided. It can be short and sweet like this. Amit did not go for the trip because he broke his arm. The first sentence is depending on the second sentence. Both are connected here, right? So this is what conjunctions will do. Here our conjunctions are but, or, because, and. Yes, bread and butter also I showed you, know. So these are all the general conjunctions that we will study in our class 2. Right? I am stressing more on this because you have one exercise related to this in your lesson Chuk Chuk. Okay, that I will be giving once you get your books. So that's the reason you need to know what exactly conjunctions are. And I will be discussing the grammar which is related to your lesson. Okay, what lesson we completed and next what grammar is continued with that lesson, that I will be discussing. Okay children, let's move on to our articles. We use a, an and the before nouns. They are called articles. Okay, so the letters which are in red color, they are the articles. That is a, an, then the. So that are used before nouns. Nouns we discussed no already. They are the naming words. Now here see example. We use a and an before singular nouns. If we are talking about a single person or animal, then we will be using a or an. Here see, we saw a zebra and an elephant at the zoo. I am talking only about one zebra here. A means only one zebra I am talking about. Single. And an elephant I am saying here. Why I wrote an? Because, yes, very good. You remember. Elephant, the letter E is starting. That is what? Vowel or consonant? Yes, it is a vowel. So, as it is starting with vowel and it is sounding a vowel sound, a and an we are writing. So, we saw a zebra and an elephant at the zoo. We are talking about two different animals. Okay? Here a and an are articles. Now here one more example, let's see. We use a noun, we use a when the noun begins with a consonant sound. Okay. Now here if you observe in the example, a cow. A cow means, okay fine, consonant sound. So other than vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U are our vowels, right? 5 letters. Other than that, others are consonants. We discussed already. So here, if you observe here, one more, a unicorn I am saying. I am not saying an unicorn. Why? Because here, U is silent. And if you hear the sound, what we are getting is a consonant sound. You are not getting a vowel sound there. Okay? That's the reason I am writing here a unicorn. That means here U is little silent. The sound what we are getting is consonant sound. Okay? So that's the reason though it is a vowel, I am writing here the article a. I am not writing an. Okay? Now here let's move on further. We use an when the noun begins with a vowel sound. That is, what are the vowels here? I mentioned, see, A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. So, when the nouns are starting with these letters, then, and when it is sounding, then an is used. I wrote here an honest man, an apple. Apple means when I am seeing apple spelling, it is starting with a, right? That is in the vowel, right? What I highlighted here with yellow. Then an we will write. Then what about honest man? I wrote an here. Why? Because H is silent here. I am not saying honest man. I am saying honest man. That is correct way of pronouncing. So when I am pronouncing like that, vowel sound is coming. That's the reason. Though you don't have a vowel starting, the sound what we are pronouncing is vowel sound. That's the reason we are writing an here. An honest man. Okay, just observe. An honest man. An apple. We use the with a noun. Okay, the the also we use. This is also an article. I saw a black car. The car was empty. The car was empty. Before car, I used the. Why? To give more clarity to the sentence. And regarding what you are talking, for that, this is the support. The. Here we are talking about the car. it is a black car. The car was empty. When I say the car, that means it is a proper weightage to the word is given. It's clear that we are talking about a car here. The car was empty. Okay, it's like respect you are giving to that word in the sentence. Here, mainly in this sentence, about what you are talking about car. So, I highlighted THE the with red letters. That means the main subject is here car. So, before that, I wrote this article the, so that it gives more clear idea about what we are talking. Similarly, the is used for many other names, like before the names of rivers, holy book and famous buildings. Now here you can see I am talking about the river Yamuna. The Yamuna I am saying. And here the holy book is Bible. So instead of saying simply Bible, I am giving weightage to that word by adding the article THE the Bible. It shows lot of respect to that word now when you add the article, isn't it? Instead of saying Bible, the Bible means it looks so royal. So these are the articles which we use. We also say the earth, the sky, the sun and the moon. So all the important nouns are joined with the. Okay? That adds more weightage to that word. The sentences in which the articles are used correctly. Okay? Now let's see. First one, I packed an sandwich and an apple for lunch. Is it looking correct when you are hearing it? Can you feel it the correct sentence? Or B1, I packed a sandwich and an apple for lunch. So which is the correct sentence here, girls? You have to remember here, before vowels, what are vowels now? A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are vowels. Always remember this. So when you see the spelling starting with a, here apple you can see that is starting with a. So that is vowel. So as the spelling is starting with vowel, here you will write the article an, an. And here the spelling is starting with S. S is a consonant. Right? So you are writing an article a. I packed a sandwich and an apple for lunch. So our answer is B. Did you get it? Here the sentence B is correct. Hope you are understanding. See the difference now. When I am saying I packed an sandwich and an apple for lunch, is it looking correct? No. It's not at all. So B bit, I packed a sandwich and an apple for lunch. Yes, this is perfect. So our answer is B. Now let's move on to one more. Now here see, I am using in second one A, the Taj Mahal is made of white marble. In B bit I am saying and Taj Mahal is made of white marble. Yes, the answer is sentence A. Why? Because first of all, Taj Mahal T is not a vowel, it's a consonant, and here the article is starting with an, so that is wrong. And Taj Mahal is a proper noun, it is starting with capital letter, right? And The, the is used for the nouns to give more weightage to the sentence we just read just now. The Taj Mahal is made of white marble. So it looks royal when you add the in front of Taj Mahal. Okay? It's a complete sentence. Here is your homework, girls. Every time I am giving the note, write in double ruled old notebook backside. Okay? Please mention the date. Till you get your new books, I hope you are writing in the old notebook which is double ruled. Right? Marks are allotted for this. Please keep in mind that. Now here is your homework. Join the following sentences using the conjunctions given in brackets. So in the brackets you can see some words are given. You have to join the sentences. Now first one, Kavita knows Alice. Kavita knows Deepa. In the bracket, that is a conjunction that is given and. So you have to include and complete the sentence now. Okay? Try to do this. Then second one, you may have an apple, you may have an orange. Okay? Or is given in the bracket. Then third one, Anandi is thin, she is very strong, but is given in the bracket. Fourth one, Tina did not go to school, she was ill, because is given in the bracket. Okay? Whatever is given in the bracket is a conjunction. You have to include in this and write. I showed you in the video no some of the sentences. Similar way I gave these 4 sentences and I have seen that the main conjunctions are included in this, like and, or, but, because. Okay? Now quickly let's move on to articles. So this is your worksheet. A and the. Some bits are given here. Look at them carefully. Whether A will come, and will come, the will come, you have to think and solve it. Okay? Try to do it on your own. Okay? You have 15 bits. Total 15 bits are there. Fine, children? See here. First 8 bits. You can keep it in, pause and just try to work out. You have to write whether the article a will come, and will come, or the will come. Okay? Then some more 15 bits total. Try to do on your own. Then later you can check your answers also. Answers are given. Don't feel happy. I thought of not showing actually, but I am showing it as it is the first time. Okay? So these are the answers given. First you try to solve it on your own. Then you check. Then it will be good for you and you will get confidence also how many are correct. Isn't it? So this type of test I will be conducting. I will be giving marks. If you do all correct, I will put star in your book, smiley. So all that will be there when you come back to school. So try to practice without checking the answers before only. Good children, right? Yes. So this is your homework for this session. See you in the next session. Try to complete classwork as well as homework. Okay? So stay at home. Be safe. Thank you. God bless you.